The future of work has arrived right now, and it's being dramatically reshaped by an invisible yet incredibly powerful force, artificial intelligence, which is infiltrating every corner of our professional lives. But this transformation goes far beyond mere automation. It's sparking a fundamental economic split, creating a vast chasm between those professionals who quickly adapt to these changes and those who risk being left far behind in the dust. We are right in the midst of the great decoupling, where the traditional ways of creating value are being completely redefined, and entire sectors of the economy are facing unprecedented levels of disruption from AI's rapid advance. This isn't some distant threat on the horizon. It's unfolding right here and now, profoundly impacting professionals across a wide range of fields including office jobs, management roles, content creation, legal practices, and finance sectors. The burning question facing every professional today isn't whether AI will drastically change your job, but rather how quickly you can master that one critical skill needed to not only survive, but truly thrive in this evolving landscape. Now, let's dive deep into the 3 key sectors that are already feeling the immense and unrelenting pressure of this ongoing AI revolution sweeping through the workforce. First up is the content creation industry, encompassing everyone from writers crafting stories to graphic designers building visuals, where AI is now generating high-quality outputs at unprecedented speeds that humans simply can't match. Just imagine an AI swiftly drafting compelling marketing copy, designing eye-catching social media posts, or even composing original music tracks, all in mere minutes, tasks that traditionally consumed hours or even entire days of human effort. This isn't solely about raw efficiency gains. It's about a profound shift in the very definition of creative work itself, which now demands entirely new skills from human creators to stay relevant and competitive. Next, we turn to the legal and financial sectors, which have long been viewed as impenetrable bastions of specialized human expertise, yet they are now being fundamentally re-engineered by AI's capabilities. AI systems can now swiftly analyze vast troves of legal documents, accurately predict case outcomes based on patterns, and even automate highly complex financial transactions with remarkable precision and speed. Picture this side-by-side comparison: a human lawyer meticulously sifting through endless precedents over hours, versus an AI that instantly cross-references millions of cases in seconds, pulling up the most relevant insights. The sheer speed and massive scale at which AI operates in these fields are forcing professionals to evolve beyond rote, repetitive tasks and instead embrace higher-level strategic thinking and oversight roles. Finally, general office administration and management roles are undergoing a massive and irreversible transformation in today's workplaces. From routine scheduling and tedious data entry to automated report generation and even basic decision-making processes, AI is streamlining all operations and sharply reducing the need for time-consuming manual intervention by humans. Think about an AI intelligently managing email correspondence, optimizing intricate team workflows for maximum productivity, or providing polished initial drafts for important strategic documents in moments. This seismic shift demands that managers and administrators evolve into skilled facilitators of AI tools, shifting their focus toward essential oversight, long-term strategy, and uniquely human-centric tasks that machines can't replicate. So, what exactly is this one critical skill that will empower you to not just survive, but to truly thrive and excel in this rapidly shifting economic landscape dominated by AI? It's the essential ability to own the inputs and the system in your daily work. This means gaining a deep understanding of how AI systems truly work under the hood, learning how to feed them the right high-quality data, and mastering how to interpret, refine, and apply their powerful outputs effectively. It's about positioning yourself as the architect who directs AI's application in practical ways, rather than being a passive recipient who simply accepts whatever results it spits out. For content creators, this translates to mastering precise AI prompting techniques combined with expert editing skills to craft unique, high-value narratives that stand out in a crowded market. For professionals in legal and finance, it's about leveraging AI tools for deeper, actionable insights, sophisticated risk assessment, and strategic decision-making that goes far beyond basic data crunching. And for managers, it's centered on designing innovative AI-augmented workflows that empower diverse teams, streamline collaboration, and drive breakthrough innovation across organizations. Ultimately, the future of work belongs to those individuals who can effectively partner with AI, skillfully guiding its immense computational power towards achieving human-defined goals and visions. This is your urgent call to judgment, to critically assess your current skills, adapt swiftly to the changes, and step up to lead confidently in this transformative age of AI. Embrace this vital challenge today, and you won't just survive the widening AI economic split. You'll be at the forefront, actively defining and shaping the exciting new frontier of work. Thanks for watching, and I really hope you liked this video, which was also generated with the help of AI. Remember to subscribe so you can join the pack and be a wise wolf.